Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chef Fran, and if you're new to this channel, welcome. And if you're a returning guest, well, thank you for hanging out. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button by giving me a virtual hug. This will allow to continue to let my channel to grow. So today we're making a key lime pie smoothie, but a healthy version, because we have our wonderful collagen that's good for our hair, nails, and skin. So this is a protein collagen. And we have some avocado that's going to add to our creaminess. And I froze my key lime yogurt, and I also have some regular key lime yogurt as well. And I have some Nelly key lime juice that I also froze those cubes, so my smoothie can be nice and thick and creamy. And we're going to add some coconut milk to it and some condensed milk for our sweetness, because you know it can be a little tart, just like we're making a key lime pie. And I zested my limes. Here are our list of ingredients. Now we're going to add some of our condensed milk in here. So you know this is rich and creamy with all that sweet goodness. I am going to add the whole can because of the tartness that we're going to get from the yogurt as well as the key lime itself. So we have our key lime yogurt that we're going to add in here. And I also took a yogurt and froze the ball to make it so we can get that thickness. So we have a key lime frozen ball here. So now we have our yogurt that I froze. You can use any mold that you have. I happen to have a silicone round mold, so I put that in there. So I'm going to add some diced avocado, frozen avocado. And we're going to add a scoop of our collagen powder. I have some lime that I zested. Actually, the best way to kind of zest your lime so you can get the most bang for your buck is to freeze your citrus, whether it's orange zest you're trying to get or lemon zest, freeze it. I'll show you how quick and smooth this is. And look, I wish you could see it coming out in the back. Look at that. Comes out beautifully. So that'll give you that added freshness that you need. Here is our vitamin content. Key lime smoothie has the vitamins of the key lime yogurt, which is A, D, and calcium, avocado, B2, B3, B5, B6, C, E, K, folate, healthy fats, magnesium, potassium, and coconut milk, C, folate, iron, magnesium, potassium. So I'm just going to add some zest to this. And this was some key lime juice that I just froze to put into cubes here. And I'm going to add a little bit of ice in here as well. $813 is the monthly income of people receiving government help for food. Well, here is our key lime smoothie. Isn't that beautiful? The color green. And we just garnished it with some zest as well as a slice of limes. So Gio, our resident taste tester, is here, and he is going to let us know how good and refreshing it is.
Well, let's try it.
Let's go.
So, it has like a little bit of the yogurt taste in it, but it also really tastes like the pie. And the avocado, I'm not much of a fan of putting avocado in my smoothies or anything, but you can't really taste it at all in here. And it's the right amount of sweet, and with the zest and everything, it blends all well together, just like a slice of key lime pie.
He is 100% accurate in what he's saying. You know, the avocado was to add some creaminess. As you can see, this is very creamy, but you don't taste it at all. The key lime, because it's stronger than the avocado, overpowers it with the yogurt. And you actually have the added, you know, collagen in here to make Gio's hair longer than what it is, and to keep our skin beautiful and our nails growing. And this is a great key lime smoothie. Definitely want you to try it. It's not hard to do. Something you can have in the morning to kind of like give you that kick to wake you up in the morning. Thank you for hanging out with us. We ask you to come back again and hang out with us in our next video. And we'll see you soon.